guys, welcome back to the beehive. Today I have a little friend behind my back. You might remember him. He was in one of my videos that long ago, the last time I uploaded. No, not the last time. Like the last, you get the idea. Probably like our fourth video. And I'm in my usual beehive 64. If you're not... Yeah, I just have some decorations up and my Holy Communion cards. If you like this. And yes, I'm still waiting for this poll. As I said in my one of my videos, get this video to 16 likes and then I'll get a song. I think everyone just forgot that one. So go check it out. It is when I start listening to Teen Titans Go songs. It was super good. And I'm talking to you, my friend. I know you want to watch it, but you're not allowed. I'm joking you. Okay, right. What to do today? Well, first have to show you who's behind here. Here's your arm. Here's a foot. Whoa. Here's another foot. Whoa, he's... Here. That's another arm. But that's not what I was going for today. He just face. It's that boy that. Wait a sec. Let's add this. It's the one boy that you love so much. It's the one and the only Dennis. And do not call me anything else but Dennis. Except for Denise today, just okay, but anything other than that, you're going to get boom, 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 ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba. So guys, what do you want to do today? I know, let's turn to the television. Oh, yeah, sorry. I'm not making this video. I'm sorry. I'm finding my brilliant space. This is a different angle. Usually looking at it from the sofa where I'm like yeah. Dennis, why are you being super... Okay, I'm going to do it. I might have done 16 likes, but it's only practice. So if I do get 16 likes, it's like this. But dance, I'll start like this. I'll be rising, going. And then I'll get dancing like that. I started with the BBs, but I flew into business. I flew into business, and everybody knows that I'm the one in charge. My brother helped me to get where I am. Shazam, and here I am. So hey, let's go. show myself a praise. Don't work for all your day. Don't you know how this will work? Don't you know? Oh. Over here like this. Like this. You can see my hand. Like this. Don't you know? Oh. Don't you know? He flew into fly with me. No, really, it's like this. But this isn't the real video. This is only what's going to happen next video. Not just the Dennis. Boop, 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 boop. Up, down. Are you okay, Dennis? Oh, pop it. Are you okay? Right, Dennis is a puppet. That's why he's so really, he gives me the heebie-jeebies. So, I skinned the corner of this over. No. No one knows that I'm here. Don't tell Dennis that. Don't tell them I'm alive. Okay, promise me, friends. Oh wait, yeah, over here. I'm back, Dennis. I'm just getting the remote. Was he doing anything? Bob's gone. He's very sneaky. No? Okay, that's good. Wait, what? I see some things on the screen saying Dennis. He done it. I'm not the real. Dennis, he was moving on his own. I'm like, you're not. And then just look at my nose. Just so you know. Just so you can guys. I was picking it like this. But I didn't see that. Oh, button. And do you look at what's in the window? Super cool. I've always got a window right here. Go up there, shitty. What's that doing? It's better shitty. Oh, that's super bad. But YouTube. So let's do I'm gonna do a react video. So YouTube. Oh, wow. After doing the apps. My biggest thing now isn't even YouTube. YouTube. Menu. Apps. YouTube. Now look at the screen and look at me. I will be reacting. It looks like it's a. I'll be right back, guys. And it's gonna get. didn't do anything while I was gone. What's up? No? Good. Search.
Hello.
Search. So it's not on. So, that's what I want.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the shower.
Which video should I watch? Oh, I know. What about my very... No, I'm not doing my... Oh, no, I'm not doing my... And to those who do not agree, it's not really like it. I do, it's funny though. It is funny. I think it's on that one. It is in my kitchen. What about my second video? When I was thinking what video I should watch before this video, I didn't do this one.
Hi guys, I'm Ben making
Can you see it?
welcome back to the beehive.
I don't know why I done that.
Dancing to my favorite song, The Night Begins to Shine.
Looks super. Oh, it definitely worked. It definitely works good. Oh, it looks like looks cute. Like music. Oh, that was good. Yeah, I couldn't see at the time. I couldn't snap.
Oh, Sainsbury's.
Oh, stop going on about it, Jack. Hey, this is Jack. Do you want to show?
No.
Okay. You don't. My foot. It's my foot. Sorry, me. The shark. The shark TV. Oh. What's wrong? What is wrong with me? I need a spur. Hold on. Menu. No, menu. YouTube. YouTube should be a bigger button than Netflix. Netflix should just be an N. And apps. So how it is. It's fine. But YouTube should be, it should be saying YouTube. Perfect. And I hope it doesn't go on. Okay, where was I? Oh, the CNC film.
Hi guys, I'm Ben making welcome back to the beehive. Today I'm dancing to one of my favorite songs, The Night Begins.
See, it's coming from that angle, but now you're coming from this angle. So, you see the TV from that angle, not this angle. Well, it's not, but me step. No. Prank years! I just got smacked. Hey, can start a whole series of fake adventure as a whole film. Ooh, it's creepy. Ooh, I like it. It's not creepy. But I'm not a PZ member. If any of my friends from Portland are watching, this is fake. They are doing that. Let's head back out Squire. Oh, this is where we were. I had to try and get that. Ooh, I have my hands on you. Because it was the time of COVID-19. Lockdown. Look at the leaves are. I went outside on my birthday and my friends were there and they sang me happy birthday. It's brilliant. I wish I could go. I wish I could pull the batteries. What happened? Wait, Janice? What are you doing? Janice? Janice? What are you doing? Janice? No, you're not. No way you can. What do you mean? Oh, it looks creepy. That looks super weird on you. Look, your eyes are wrong. That would be the best. That was the easiest unmasking ever. Why my brand new grey glasses and Specsavers off? Blue shiny on hypnotizer. Now this will do the outro for you.